Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative and I am here with day number 8 and this is for my ICAD challenge in this card today. And so the challenge today is, the prompt is pipe cleaner. So I've used a pipe cleaner in my ICAD. My ICAD is 4x6, my index card, and so I thought I would use a little simple design. And this is an embossing folder that I'm going to use. It's a sweetheart one. And this is how I store my embossing folders. I put them inside of CD cases. I emboss it on both sides. And I label them. And then I also make a sample and I label it just to keep it. Usually my samples are in a separate bin. But I had it together because I'm moving some of my stuff over. So I am going to emboss this piece of paper. About 6. So this is some Tim Holtz paper. And not technically, this is the distress type of paper that you can distress. And I was looking for my sandpaper, could not find my sandpaper. So I am going to try using nail file and see how it goes. And see if I can distress it just enough to give it so this one I'll create a little texture because it's going to be a simple card. And then here's my 4x6. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to glue this down. And now I didn't just move my gun. Actually, I didn't move it. I didn't look for it before I did the video. Okay, so I'm just going to put this down. I already printed out my sentiment. So just adding that little warm look. And I kept my pipe cleaner simple. You know, one of those first grade shapes that you make? I made a heart. So that's what I'm going to do. And what I got my little sentiment. Alright, so I'm going to glue that down. And then I'm going to be done. Hope you are all doing well. Yeah, it was kind of tricky trying to think of like, what could I do with pipe cleaners? So I like the fact that we have some challenging ones, some easy ones. And I'm trying to make all of them do a little different kind of a, you know, not necessarily style, but just different stuff. I don't want to do them all the same, but just vary them up some. Okay. So it says, for man looketh on the outward appearance, but the Lord looketh on the heart. 1 Samuel 16:7. Because as people, we can only see what we can see. But God knows the intent of someone. And that's why when it comes to judging, we can judge actions. The Bible doesn't condemn you for judging actions, because you can discern what's right and wrong. I mean, that's why we have a judicial system. But what it is you don't have the right to put somebody in heaven and hell, because you're not the one who makes the determination. But anyway, I hope this works. I am using some glossy accents. I can't get my E6000 to squeeze out. So I'm going to see if this works. I don't know if it is. And this doesn't want to come out. Like, it's so weird. These things are so hard to keep it flowing. It's so aggravating. Trying to keep I hope this works. I don't know, because I don't know what you use to glue down pipe cleaner. And I didn't look it up to see what was the best glue. So I've never, I don't know, maybe elementary school, maybe I did, I don't know. I don't recall ever having to glue pipe cleaner to paper. So we'll see. Like I said, I was hoping to use my E6000, but it just wanted to act funny. It popped up. I got glossy accents on those spots. Oh well, it's gonna probably make my card dirty. I don't know. My hands are sticky now. I don't know if that's gonna stay. It should be an adventure. I'm gonna come back in a few minutes. Yeah, smear it all over there. Didn't look too good. So I just redid it and I just attached it with a little stapler. So that is the finished product. It says again, for male look on the outward appearance, but the Lord looketh on the heart, for Samuel 16:7. And that is what I did for my pipe cleaner. Simple, but I think cute and effective. So anyway, play along, play with the prompts. Give you something challenge to try to see if you can create something with each one of the prompts, or just pick some of them and try it. Again, you can use 3x5 or 4x6, and please do hashtag 757 ICAD ICAD challenge, and I can find you, or I'll put in a link below and let me know, or hit me up on Instagram and I will check out what you made. Alright, so thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.